So we're excited about our student turning 18 and becoming an adult. Forever they will be our little children, but major things happen when they turn 18 in the eyes of not only the colleges and career schools they're going to, but the medical, legal, and other parts of the adult world. And this particular slide shows some of the major things that as parents we need to be worried about and thinking about in advance of them going off to college. So from left to right, let's cover a couple of the important aspects of legal, college, medical, and other concerns that we need to have in place before they go off to school. Now is a good time to be working with a estate planner, a financial planner, or an individual who can help navigate these various aspects of our family life. So number one, the college. If we're going to be carrying our student on our medical and dental plans until they are the age of 24, then we want to make sure that we sign a health waiver with the school. This is done at orientation and should be done before July. Otherwise, the college will be charging you health coverage on behalf of your student. In order to have access to academic records, financial records, campus safety records, you need to have a FERPA form signed and put in place with the school's registrar's office. This is a document that your son and daughter signs along with you and protects the ability for you to have a conversation with people on campus. Tuition insurance, a product that's available to families whose students may have medical issues, may in fact have concerns about whether they're going to be able to stay on campus, everything but academically falling or failing. So it covers the amount of money that you pay out of pocket if your student needs to leave due to injuries, mental health issues, or other concerns related to their enrollment. Let's jump up to the right-hand side where it says medical. We need to have a HIPAA form in place for our sons and daughters so that we can have conversations when they turn 18 with healthcare providers. If by chance they have to go to the ER or they need some type of medical care while they're away from home, you can't talk to a medical doctor or a professional unless a HIPAA form is in place. So that needs to be signed with their current doctor now, put in place, and it is always advisable that they keep a copy on their phone or in their computer so that they can show the providers when they need care. Healthcare proxy allows you to have more control over your sons and daughters' medical care while they're away. So work with your medical provider now, their doctor, to get those documents in place. Legal, a power of attorney is important, a living will, just in case there's issues related to their legal status. They get arrested, they're 18, they have to deal with things on their own, but if you have a power of attorney, then you're able to step in and assist them. Insurance, down the right-hand corner. If they're going to bring a car on campus or they're going to have possessions in their dorm, you need to check your auto and home and property policies to ensure that you're covered. If they are driving others, it's important to have those coverages checked. Life insurance is important if a student is going off to school. It's going to protect them if they need funds, if you need funds, or other aspects of their life protection. Other things over the left-hand corner, you need to have an updated high school transcript sent in after they graduate, immunization records if they're going to travel, their passports, and I highly encourage the idea of having safety training when they're living on campus and away from home.